Hi, and thanks for joining us today for our Love Your Home Renovation Tip of the Week. I'm your host, Jackie Stezik, the Project Manager and Marketing Director for Multi-Trade Building Services. Our weekly Renovation Tips of the Week will teach you about general renovations, kitchens, bathroom, interior design, and more. So make sure you return every week for another new video. Today, we're going to be talking about new hardware for your cupboards. Now, sometimes you don't want to do a complete kitchen renovation, or maybe you're about to start a kitchen, or maybe you're even right in the middle of it. Either way, it's surprising how important the hardware choices are for your cupboards. Take a look at the photo in this slide. It's a gorgeous gold pull with matte black accents. Now, doesn't that really pop on this pale blue background for this cupboard? It's incredible the choices that are out there today and the kind of difference that it can make to your kitchen cupboards. Don't forget about the vanity as well. Check out this pull with tiny little rhinestones all around it. They even have pulls and knobs out there that have Swarovski crystals on them. It's amazing the selections that are out there and the difference it can make. Look at this very simple yet elegant pull for this cupboard. It's a matte black finish with a striking chrome overlay. Something very simple, very easy to grab, and it really makes this kitchen cabinet pop with the white shaker style cabinets and the simple monotone colored countertop. Look at these amazing pulls from Richelieu. It's one of Canada's largest hardware suppliers for kitchen cabinets, and they have an incredible supply and so many options that are available. Be sure to check them out at richelieu.com. The picture on the left shows a close-up of the pulls and knobs that are on the cabinets on the right. You'll be sure to find one that'll match your style and your taste when you check all of them out. Now, some of these can run as little as $3 or $4 a piece, while others can run $15, $20, and even $30 per pull. So make sure you find out the price point of them before you fall in love with a gorgeous one and find out you need 35 of them for your kitchen. These are a very simple pull, but again, combine the matte black and the stainless steel or brushed nickel finish. Even if you don't want to do a complete kitchen renovation, but you really want to jazz up your kitchen a little bit, consider just changing out the knobs and pulls on your kitchen cupboards. One thing to keep in mind though, unless you're willing and able to fill in the holes that the old knobs and pulls left behind, make sure that the new ones are the exact same size for where the holes are going to be going. Otherwise, you could have a bigger mess on your hands when you try and change out the knobs. Look at these simple yet elegant and beautiful pulls. They're a matte black finish and a very simple U-shaped design. These create a really contemporary look in this home with the white kitchen cabinets, and they've obviously got a very stunning countertop as well. But the white against the black is a really nice contemporary feel, which gives you a mix between a classic kitchen and a modern kitchen. Look at these gorgeous pulls that come in every imaginable size, from the small little ones you'd put on a drawer right up to these very large ones that you would put on a pantry. These are like a plexiglass type of handle with the brushed nickel, and I believe it also comes in chrome on either end. Stunning, simple, and classy. Can you imagine this cabinet in an old style handle and then suddenly putting these handles on it? It can really make the difference in a kitchen. So for more information on kitchen upgrades, check out our blog posts. Just go to www.multitradebuildingservices.com and be sure to click on news. That's where you'll find all of our blog posts. If you have any other questions or want to get in touch with us, feel free to reach out via email at info@multitradebuildingservices.com, or you can even phone me directly at 905-259-3344. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope that we helped you learn to love your home.